Centurion University is spread over 40 acres of land in the foothills of Baruni Hills. Its journey began in 2005 with a vision to create an institution that provides opportunities for growth to all students from across the country. Centurion University is duly recognized as a pioneer of skill-integrated higher education. This is the campus classroom where students spend most of their time attending classes and sharing ideas. These classrooms are qualitative and add value to students' learning. We have now arrived at the ultimate learning center for every student, the campus library. The campus library consists of a large variety of books that help students in expanding their knowledge. The library has latest editions of books so that students stay updated with the current know-how of their domain. This is the computer lab at the campus. With modern technology and upgraded systems, it serves the right purpose for students to learn about the latest technologies through practice. Here you can see a large playground that is used for outdoor sports like cricket and football. Playing these team sports helps students hone their sportsmanship and leadership skills. Here you see a large auditorium that can accommodate more than 300 people at a time. It is ideal for conferences, cultural events, and workshops. It has top-notch audio-visual facilities for memorable experiences. The campus also provides hostel facilities to its students. There are separate hostels for girls and boys which contain the basic furniture which include a bed, study table, and almirah. This brings us to the end of the 360-degree virtual campus tour of Centurion University. As you saw, the campus infrastructure is all set to offer a wholesome educational experience to students.